Today we're dealing with the application of Newton's second law. On this example, we will have a 5 kilogram item on top of an inclined surface at a 30-degree angle. It has no friction. This problem has no friction at all. We begin by starting this problem by finding all the components, the forces acting on the surface. First component would be gravity, which would be pointing right down. And we will label this M of G. Next component would be, since this is an inclined surface, it would have two components, a perpendicular and a parallel component. We will draw those out right here. That being the perpendicular, the parallel, and this being the perpendicular. We will also label these. The parallel would be labeled as mg sine of theta, and the perpendicular would be labeled mg cosine of theta. And all these angles would have the same angle, since this line is perpendicular to this one and the other to the other, meaning this would be a 30-degree angle and this would be a 30-degree angle, meaning that theta would be 30 degrees as well. And we have one more force that's acting on it, and it's the normal force, and that would act right here, canceling that out, and that would cancel itself out, leaving mg, circle this, mg sine of theta. In this problem, we are solving for acceleration, how fast the object is going to be moving down the surface of the incline when the friction is 0. We continue this by solving for it. We can use the equation F equals ma. The forces on this object would be the only force left, which is mg sine of theta, and we said that equal to ma. The mass in this equation would cancel each other out, leaving a, which is acceleration, is equal to g sine of theta. G would be gravity, which is known as 9.8. Sine of theta, which would be 30 degrees. When you solve for this, just plug into the calculator. Acceleration is gonna equal to 4.9 meters per second squared. That is how to solve for Newton's second law when the object is an incline and there is no friction on the object. And that is how to solve for the acceleration, or how fast the object is going to be moving, which is 4.9 meters per second squared. Thank you.